If you care about keeping your WordPress website safe from hackers and unwanted login attempts, then you need a reliable security tool. And WP Login Lockdown promises to do exactly that. It helps to block bots, stop the repeated wrong logins, and adds a strong protection to your login page. So only real users can get it. So welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you to discover tools that make your site safer and easier to manage. So if that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use the link from the description to grab the lifetime deal for the WP login lockdown from the AppSumo. And by using the link from description, the discount will be applied automatically. Now let's dive into WP Login Lockdown and see how it works, what it protects against, and what you should know before using it. WP Login Lockdown is a plugin for your WordPress that focuses on securing your login area. Many attacks on WordPress sites come from the automated bots or hackers. They are trying to guess the passwords through the repeated login attempts. This is called a brute force attack. WP Login Lockdown helps to prevent that. Once you install and activate the plugin, you can figure it easily from your WordPress dashboard. And you can set how many times a user or a bot can try to log in within a certain time frame. For example, after a few failed attempts, the plugin will block further login attempts from that IP address for a set time, so that automated bots or attackers cannot keep trying endlessly. This lockdown behavior, limiting the retries and temporarily blocking the suspicious IPs. So this is kind of a central to preventing brute force attacks. It gives you the peace of mind that even if someone tries to guess your password, and they wouldn't success easily. Besides blocking repeated login attempts, WP Login Lockdown offers more protective features. You can change or you can hide the default login URL, so it's harder for the attackers to even find the login page. And that adds the security by obscurity, which makes your site less visible to hackers who is looking for the default password login address. You can also enable the reCAPTCHA or other bot blocking methods to make sure automated scripts cannot brute force login forms. If you manage several websites for your clients or for your own using WP Login Lockdown's lifetime deal from the AppSumo, this could save money over the time. So no recurring fees or subscription fees. The lifetime deal gives you access to all of the core security features and the lifetime update also. That said, no plugin can make a site 100% immune. WP Login Lockdown helps a lot to decrease the risk, but you should complement it with other good security practices. Like you can use strong, unique passwords that can keep WordPress core and plugins updated, and limited users access and avoiding the weak credentials. Also, whenever possible, considering a combining login protection with two-factor authentication or additional firewall maybe, or a security plugins to strengthen the overall security. Some other security plugins provide extra layers like firewall, malware scan, or the session protection, which adds more protection beyond just preventing the brute force. Because WP Login Lockdown is lightweight and mostly acts only during the login attempts, it does not slow down your website performance, which is a good plus if you care about the speed and your user experience. So finally, if you run a WordPress site, maybe a business site, blog, online store, or service site, and you want a simple but effective defense against hackers and bots, then WP Login Lockdown is a solid choice for you. It helps to block the unwanted logins, adds extra protection layers like login URL hiding and CAPTCHA, and gives you the lifetime access from the AppSumo with one-time payment. If you want to stay safer on your online or harden your login security and avoid common attacks, then WP Login Lockdown is a tool that worth to having. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you want more videos like this, then please subscribe the Easy Access Tech channel And don't forget to check the link from description to grab the WP Login Lockdown at its lifetime deal price. So I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.